I love that sound. It means it's done. It means it's done. So workflow number 1 is deployed, and I think it's now doing workflow number 2. CodeWords is the autonomous N8N alternative that uses Model Context Protocol to bridge your entire stack. We're talking hands-free authentication for 700 plus apps. And the best thing is they're all handled conversationally. Cody doesn't just talk to tools, it writes production-ready Python and manages dependencies automatically. No servers, no operation credit traps, just pure intent-driven execution. You can build your first agent in 60 seconds at codewords.ai. You see, this is actually a very interesting challenge. I want to test exactly how much Cody can handle, how much complexity it can have, how many of different tech stacks it can have within one workflow, and how much it can change as I change my mind, right? So let's start with this. Cody, I want you to automate my entire marketing backend. Now look how vague that is. I'm being purposely vague because I trust through the amount of work that I've done with CodeWords that this is going to still give me the result that I want it to give me. The workflow I normally use is upload Instagram Reels to Instagram, have them also uploaded to TikTok, have a similar post based on the same context go out on LinkedIn. Then I want to track all of the data in terms of view count, likes, any engagement basically in a Google Sheet. I don't even know what I'm missing, right? So I've got the work done, I've got the analysis. I also want you to connect ChatGPT to evaluate and analyze like a marketing expert what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, and how I can improve my marketing based on the analysis and data received. So shall we get this done, guys? This is very complicated. I've not actually gone into too much detail. I'm purposely making this difficult. So let's just press enter and see what CodeWords can get for us. I'm always interested to actually see how CodeWords thinks about this thing, right? Because imagine, for example, I'm not an English native speaker. I can't explain things correctly, but still I'm trusting CodeWords to be able to handle my request effectively. Now, what I normally see is that CodeWords asks me the questions before it starts building because it knows that there might be a little bit of ambiguity in a specific situation. So let's see what CodeWords does. Let's pay close attention to see exactly what it's doing. Right, so it's searching for relevant templates to help with this marketing automation. So that's the best thing to do. So it goes through its entire database, it sees what is currently built so it can speed up the time, right? Because that's at the end of the day what we're here to do. I want to speak to Cody, I want to get something done quickly, and I want to get on with my day-to-day. So let's see how this works it. Wow, okay, so 363 relevant templates in the database for Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Google Sheets integration. So let it read the code and let's see what it comes back with. So it says that it's collected all of the documentation and the template code, and now it's checking what posting integrations are available through Pipedream. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I've been building N8N workflows for 2 years now. And whilst I loved the tool in the past, the amount of things that broke on a day-by-day basis, the amount of things I'd have to see, like how do you integrate things, what kind of tools you need, Pipedream, for example, what API connections. The massive benefit of using a tool like CodeWords is that I don't need to think about that. I just don't need to think about it. I let CodeWords get on with the work in the background. Now, when it does ask me a question, it is still my responsibility to give it the best feedback I can back. When it asks me a question, like it's gonna do right now, I have to make sure that I give it the best response so that CodeWords can do good work. It's the same as using a normal employee, but in fact, I'll be completely honest, CodeWords has been better than nearly every employee that I've ever hired before. So 7 questions, multiple choice as well. So it's got my answers ready to make my life even easier. Where are your Instagram Reels currently? Do you have them? Do you have video files created, or are you looking to generate content with AI? Well, no, I have them all saved in a Google Drive actually. So that's answer number 1. Do you have an Instagram business account with API access? This is required for automated posting. I can guide you through step if you need it. Do I have it? I don't even know. And this is actually a really good thing for CodeWords to do. So let me say I only have a personal account. Do I have it? No, I think I do have a business account, but I don't have API access. Let's just see it. Maybe CodeWords can help me out a little bit. It can be my it can be my expert coach to help me with this on top of my coder. So let's see what it comes back with. For TikTok posting, would you prefer browser automation? Let's get the free one, please. For LinkedIn posting, are you posting to your personal profile or a company page? Personal profile. What specific engagement metrics do you want to track? Let's say just views and likes. Realistically, I want to see how many people are seeing it versus how many are liking it. If the like to view low rate is low, then clearly there's something I need to work on. So that's why I want ChatGPT to hopefully be able to talk to me about afterwards. How do you want to trigger this workflow? Manual upload each time is fine. Like, I just want the information when I ask for it, to be honest. And how frequently do you want ChatGPT marketing analysis report? I want a monthly summary. One of the things that I actually really love about CodeWords is it does the thinking. You know, how many times do you guys speak to AI and it just gives you back some answer just straight away, and it has nothing to do with what you've asked it to do? When I see CodeWords give me an answer, not one time in the history of working with it have I ever seen it give me something that I've not wanted. It always takes me closer to the outcome that I wanted from the beginning. For LinkedIn, you mentioned wanting a similar post based on the same context. Would you like AI to generate a professional LinkedIn style text post based on your Reels content, or just use the same captions as your Instagram, TikTok post? That's super interesting. What do I want? Do I want to, I'm not too fussy because normally my captions are quite good. You know, they're good enough for LinkedIn. So let's use the same captions as Instagram for this time. But it's really good that it gave me the two options. You know, it's going into depth. It's telling me, do I want the more advanced version or do I want the simple version? And how often, guys, how often when you're working with someone, you're working with a team, do they come back and just tell you what the easiest option is, right? CodeWords is giving me the harder option and the easier option, and it's up to me to decide. Wow. Okay, so look, this is the entire workflow that Cody has built for us. I can start moving things around just to make them look a little bit neater. But if I'm gonna be completely honest, how much neater can I have it? Look, so I've got my post to LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. I've got to get the video from the drive, the login to the sheets. Wow, this is incredible. The monthly analysis from ChatGPT, I can see this using the AI analysis, getting the stats from Instagram, TikTok stats, LinkedIn stats. You know what's funny, guys? I was even just thinking about the Instagram stats only. So it's gone above and beyond, and it puts it in the tracking sheet, which is in another sheet, I think. We'll have to see. It's got the AI analysis from those sheets, and it's gonna give me an email report. I don't even think I asked it to give me that email report. This is incredible. It's gone above and beyond my expectations. So let's build it. Let's get on with it. Build first, test later. It's what we do every time. Guys, I just want you to keep in mind, I really want you to keep something in mind. I started this at 10:34. It's 12:41 right now. Guys, that is 6 minutes. It did this entire thing in 6 minutes. This used to take me days. This used to take me so much time, and honestly, I used to get it wrong so often. It's done in 6 minutes. And on top of that, it's testing the work as well. Right, so it's gonna start building. It's going to create the workflow number one, which is the multi-platform reel poster. Let's have a go. Let's have a see like what it's gonna do. I guarantee it's gonna ask me like, can you connect the LinkedIn? Can you connect the TikTok? So let's get this done today. I think when I pressed the save button, it did something cool. And it's going straight again. Let's go. Oh, it was doing in the background. Even I think as it's cloud-based, it was literally doing it in the background whilst it was saying it was reconnecting on my side. So it's fixed bugs for me, writes the code to fix more. It's finding extra bugs. This is the best bit because it's done the building and it does the testing straight after and it's going through all of it. Okay, so it's deploying the workflow now. I love that sound. It means it's done. It means it's done. So workflow number one is deployed, and I think it's now doing workflow number two. This is the one where we're analyzing all of the data from the first workflow. The incredible thing about what CodeWords does is so user-friendly, so UI-friendly. Like it's got two different workflows, then it's testing them together, and it shows me like it's got the green tick saying that workflow number one is done. It's going straight on to workflow number two. It's so efficient, it's so effective. It just prevents all of the back and forth. It prevents all of the procrastination, all of the issues, all of the mundane coding in the Python. And if I'm honest, one of the best things is that it uses these different APIs, web agents, like all of these different things that a lot of people just do not know about, right? So if there's automations and APIs that you're not aware of, then how will you know what to plug in to get the best results? The fact that CodeWords has everything in its own database, it means it's so user-friendly. All you have to do is explain it in business terms, like I keep saying, the level 4 autonomous agent, so that you get on with your business day and let CodeWords do all of the coding. Right, what's it doing then? So now it's talking about collecting the engagement metrics, and it's done. It's done it again. Right, so it's deploying the workflow now. So I think building the workflow number two is also finished. And this time I don't even think it made any bugs. So I think it built it perfectly in the first go. Don't forget, guys, we've asked it to connect to a lot of things. Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, just for posting. So that's putting it in. Then we're taking and retrieving information out. Then we're plugging it into ChatGPT. We're then plugging it into a data dashboard or a Google Sheet. And then we're running it through to Google Mail. This is a lot of integrations. Right, so it's got a question. Have you completed the Instagram API setup, and do you have access tokens and business account ready? I don't have access tokens. I'll do this later and skip the testing for now, just because I don't have the Instagram API set up. And the business account ID, I think they normally take a while to get back to you. So just for now, let me skip this and see what else we can get done for it. So this is what I've got. Takes a video from Google Drive and caption, post to Instagram as a reel, post it to TikTok, post to LinkedIn, logs all of the post IDs and the URLs to a Google Sheet so I can track it. And then it also has given me a monthly marketing analyzer user, reading all of the posts, collecting the engagement metrics, and uses ChatGPT to analyze the performance to generate a comprehensive marketing report. Now, guys, I did not even ask you for this bit. Cody did this by himself. What's working well, what needs improvement, platform-specific insights, content recommendations, and optimization strategies. This is incredible. Right, so to set this up, I need to complete before the first use, get Instagram API credentials, create the Meta Developer app, store in CodeWords secrets, right? So all of the integrations. So I think we've got them, and then log into TikTok as a one-time. So how to use this as a one setup. Posting content, go to multi-platform poster workflow. So let me check this out. So it's literally owned by me. It's used it one time. It's got all of the information and it shows me exactly what I need to connect. It makes it so easy for me. It tells me the Instagram access tokens I need to put in, it tells me where I need to get them, the video file from the Google Drive file or the folder picker, and the caption for the post. This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. It's all in one place and it will go and do it all for me. So select the Google Drive file. Okay, after I put the Google Drive access inside of the Google Sheets and everything, then it will finally do the work. This is amazing, guys. Now look, as you can see, it's literally done this entire workflow for me, and it's been less than like 15 minutes for all of this work. This is what I'm saying, guys. CodeWords really does have the capacity and the capability to be the next big thing in AI automation. How many people don't know how to code in Python? How many people don't know how to fix errors and issues most effectively? CodeWords does everything in the back end for you, and on top of that, it also thinks in terms of level 4 thinking. It does extra business thinking around the automation as well. The fact that it does thinking in its layers, it means that it's also building the layers, but it's also expanding on the reach. It's making it better than I even asked for it in the first time. So guys, that's everything for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.